Okay, children. Today I am summarizing you with the chapter D waters because when the vacation, before the vacation, I did this chapter, but some of the children could not gone through it. So I'm summarizing in this chapter again. D water is about the writer's journey of overcoming the fear of water, which is deeply rooted in him since childhood. जो ये डीप वाटर्स है ये एक राइटर की जर्नी है और वो जर्नी है जिस जर्नी में वो खौफ में उसके दिल दिमाग पे खौफ बैठ गया था पानी का जो बचपन से ही उसके रूट्स में मतलब उसके नसों में वो एक खौफ भरा हुआ था द ऑथर स्टार्टेड फियरिंग अबाउट fearing water since the age of 4 when he was 4. At that time only he had a fear in himself about the water because he met with an accident where he thought that he would be dead now, but that was not the thing. It started when he was visiting California with his father. He visited a beach where a wave knocked him down and swept over him. That terrifies the author, although the father laughed at him at this, knowing it was no danger. However, this experience terrifies him and develops a fear of water. After that, when the author is 11 years old, he experienced another incident which escalated his fear. So, find what happened, children. As I told you before, that this is the journey of fear of water in a writer's heart. And it started when he was 4 years old when he went to California with his father. And one day he went to visit the beach. Over there, a wave, he was at the back of his father, and suddenly a heavy wave knocked him down and swept over him. He was in a shallow water and he was almost drowned. But he thought that he will be dead. This terrifies the author. और ये जो वो जब वो गिरा और शैलो वाटर में जब वो थोड़ा सा डूब गया तो उसको लगा कि शायद वो अब बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो जाएगा और उसके दिल दिमाग पे वो पानी का जो खौफ था वो बैठ गया ऑल्दो द फादर उसका फादर वहाँ थे उसको बचा सकते थे लेकिन ही वॉज जस्ट लाफिंग सो ही थॉट दैट because his father knew that it was no danger and he could be safe. But that 4 years old child, he did not know that his father is there to support him. And he thought, and this experience had deeply made place in his heart of fear of water. After that, when the author is 11 years old, again he has the same experience, the same incidents with the water. And this fear grew greater in his heart, and he was almost dead. He is at a swimming pool in Yakami trying to learn swimming. Actually, the narrator, this William Douglas, he was a swimmer and he loved to swim. So he wanted to learn how to swim. So when he was in China, I suppose in Japan, sorry, and he over there in Yakima, there was a pool, there was a club, and in that club there was a pool. So children used to go there and they used to learn how to swim because some coaches were also there trying to learn swimming. On one fine day, a bully decided to pull a dangerous prank. He pushed him in the deep end of the pool, which frightened the author. He reached 9 feet into the water and stayed struggling desperately to hold on to something. So, what happened when he started going to that club and was learning how to swim? One day, what happened? He came a bit earlier and there was nobody in the pool. And that going inside the pool all alone without anybody, there was a that was also a fear in his heart, because when he goes inside the water, that fear recalls him when he was 4 years old. So he need a support, he needs somebody who could help him to go inside the pool. So finally he was sitting on the side of the pool when some group of boys came over there who used to come regularly to that pool to swim, and they started to play a prank with him. Actually, the narrator was very skinny and was very thin, and he hardly had a weight. So that a very manual physical boy, picked him up and pushed him in the deep end of the pool, which frightened the author. And he pushed him down to the deep end. Actually, the pool was made in such a way that the deepest side was 9 feet and the shallow side was very less, where the stand children used to stay over there and they used to swim. Okay, तो जब वो बच्चा आए और उसमें से एक बहुत ही हट्टा कट्टा सा था लड़का, उसने उसको उसके साथ प्रैंक करने की कोशिश करी। तो उसने क्या करा, इसको, ये बड़ा स्किनी था, थिन था, उसको उठाया और जो 9 फीट की तरफ जो पूल था, जो डीपेस्ट साइड था, वहाँ पर उसको फेंक दिया। अब फेंक तो दिया, इतना तो ये जा रहा था, तो इसको पता था कि मतलब स्विमिंग में क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए, जब आप डाइव करो तो क्या होना चाहिए। ही न्यू सम ऑफ द रूल्स, बट ही ट्राइड इट एंड ही कुड नॉट सक्सीड। He reached 9 feet into the water and started struggling desperately to hold on to something. उसने जब उसे फेंक दिया नरेटर को डीपेस्ट साइड में, उसने अपने आप को बचाने की लिए कोशिश करी। उसने अपने आप को सोचा कि मैं किसी चीज़ को पकड़ूं, बट वो किसी चीज़ को पकड़ नहीं सका और वो ग्रेजुअली नीचे नीचे जाता गया। उसने सोचा कि जब मैं नीचे जाऊंगा, जैसे उसको बताया गया था पूल स्विमिंग के टाइम पे, कि व्हेन यू गोइंग डीपेस्ट डाउन एंड सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू। सो उसने सोचा कि जो मुझे बताया गया था कि अगर मैं नीचे जाऊंगा तो मैं ना ज़मीन पे अपने पंजों के बल पे पुश करके मैं ऊपर आऊँगा। ही एंड दिस व्हाट ही न्यू एंड ही ट्राइड इट, but he could not succeed. Moreover, he yelled for help, but he started feeling paralyzed, and only his heart was moving on. Now, thus he gives up and reads himself to die, but wakes up at the side of the pool. However, the terror he experienced while drowning never goes away. It continued to haunt him for many years and even spoil his future expeditions concerning कैनिंग, स्विमिंग, फिशिंग एंड मोर। एंड फाइनली क्या हुआ कि जो उसका एक्सपीरियंस था उस 11 साल की उम्र में, जब उसको फेंक दिया गया था पूल के गहरे वाली साइड पे और वो अपने आप को बचा नहीं पाया था, उसने बहुत मुमकिन कोशिश करी। उसने सोचा कि जब मैं नीचे जाऊंगा मैं अपने पंजों के बल कॉक की तरह ऊपर आ जाऊंगा, बट एट दैट मोमेंट हिज बॉडी वॉज ऑलमोस्ट पैरालाइज एंड ही कुड नॉट। He shouted for help, but the voice of the sound echo inside the water. Nobody could hear him, and he was gradually going down and down, and finally he could only knew that his mind was working, that he was alive. Otherwise, his entire body was paralyzed, and he thought that he was almost dead. और बहुत कोशिश करी, लेकिन लास्ट में सिर्फ अंधेरा छा गया, वो पानी में फेंट हो गया। एंड ही थॉट दैट नाउ ही विल नॉट बी एबल टू सर्वाइव एंड ही इज़ डेड एंड ही इज़ लिविंग लाइंग ऑन हिज मदर्स लैप्स। वो अपनी माँ की गोद में सो गया और अब शायद ज़िंदगी में कभी वो उठ नहीं पाएगा और वो मर चुका है। उसको यही ध्यान रहा। लेकिन हुआ ये कि उसी बच्चे ने जिसने उसको फेंका था, और जब उसको ये एहसास हुआ कि वो डूब रहा है और बाहर नहीं आ सका और वो अपने कोशिश नहीं कर सका कि वो बाहर आ जाए, तो उसने जंप मारा और उसको बाहर निकाल के लाया। जब उसे होश आया, उसने देखा कि वो पूल के साइड में पड़ा हुआ था और उसके पेट में से पानी निकाला जा रहा था, उसको बचाया जा रहा था. बट by the grace of the God he was saved and was alive too. But that day he was very weak and very helpless. His body could not move. For some hours he was asked to stay in the restroom and then he went home. After this experience, his entire life was disturbed. He continues to hunt him for many years. और ये जो एक पानी का खौफ था, पहले ही उसके साथ एक बार ऐसा हुआ था जो उसके दिल दिमाग में बैठ गया था, खौफ. और अब ये जो दूसरी बार हुआ है, ये ज़्यादा बड़ा इंसिडेंस था जो इसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो गई थी. और ये जो खौफ था बार बार आता था इसके दिल दिमाग पे और उसको डराता था. ये ऑलमोस्ट अपनी जो फ्यूचर की जो इसकी एक हॉबीज़ थी, स्विमिंग करना, फ़िशिंग के लिए जाना, बोटिंग के लिए जाना, रिवर्स पे जाना, ये सारी चीज़ें उसकी ख़त्म हो चुकी थी और इसकी लाइफ एकदम डल हो गई थी, ड्राई हो गई थी. एंड ही डजंट वांट टू गो नियर द वाटर एनी मोर. दैट वेर बिकॉज एंड एज दो he want to become a very good swimmer. He even visited Marion Lakes, Columbia, New Hampshire and more about is but is not able to enjoy it. ये अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ बाद में बहुत टाइम बाद अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ इन जगहों पे भी गया, लेकिन उसको वहाँ पर भी यही बार बार एहसास होता था कि वो कहीं पानी में जाएगा तो मर नहीं जाए. Thus he decided to overcome this fear by hook or by crook. He enrolls himself in a swimming class and tries to learn from the instructor. The instructor teaches him many tips and tricks for swimming. He began with the inhaling and exhaling part he practiced it for many weeks. And one day what happened? He decided to hire an instructor who will teach him or trained him to swim in the long and the deepest waters. So finally he want to get rid of this fear, and he decided that it would be by hook or crook. He will get a training by an instructor who will teach him to go all the tricks and tips for swimming in the pool or in the rivers. He began with the and first step by step the instructor taught him, and it started with the inhaling and exhaling part. That then he practiced it for many weeks, and this first step he did it for many weeks. Children, I continue afterwards. Okay, thank you.